In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split cell on Confluence. If you're working with tables in Confluence, it's common to run into merged cells that need to be separated again. The good news is that this is a very quick edit once you know where to click. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to split a merged table cell back into its original cells using the built-in table options in Confluence. To begin, open the Confluence page where you want to make the change and make sure the page is in edit mode. This is important because table formatting options, including the split cell command, are only available while you're actively editing the page. Once you're in the editor, scroll to the table that contains the merged cell you want to adjust. Next, click directly on the merged cell inside the table. When that cell is selected, look toward the top right corner of the cell. You should see a small downward pointing arrow appear. This is the menu that gives you additional table cell actions. Click that arrow to open the drop-down menu. From the menu, select Split Cell. As soon as you do that, Confluence will separate the merged cell back into its original number of cells. So if that cell had previously been combined from multiple columns or rows, this option restores the earlier structure automatically. This can be especially helpful if a table layout was merged by mistake, or if you need to reorganize the content for better readability. One helpful tip while doing this is to make sure you've clicked the exact merged cell you want to change before opening the drop-down. If the menu doesn't appear right away, simply click the cell again and pause for a moment. In some cases, the table controls can be easy to miss if the cell is small or if there's a lot of content inside it. After the cell is split, you can continue editing the table as needed. You may want to recheck the spacing and content placement, since splitting a cell can affect how information is displayed across the row or column. If necessary, you can click into each newly restored cell and adjust the text or formatting. And that's all there is to it. That's how you split a cell in Confluence quickly and easily.